kids on a dare.
You're pushing him hard. Winter is almost here. If he can't fly with the migration flock, he won't survive the winter.